Yo, Wagwan! What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another one. Another reaction. Aight? Yeah. Big up on the new subscribers, them. Big up the viewers, them who haven't subscribers yet. But I guess you don't need more convincing to subscribe. Understand? But don't worry. At least you're here viewing. Big up on yourself, Big up the original them. Big up the core. We got the core at the family. So today we're here with Skepta plugged in with Fumez. Skepta plugged in with Fumez. So we're gonna jump into that one here and see what Skepta has said. Big up yourself, Skeppy. Alright, let me go.
Gotta get to them, I'll do it on stage.
SRB separation.
You get me, big SK, big smoke.
Coming up on
Fumez the engineer, Quang, Cons, being plugged in. A boy better know. I don't take back chat, no disrespect. Already know the gang, and I'm something like Big Fish. Fuck the ops, it's their loss. I cut them off. How could I get pissed off? Bodies get ticked off.
Yo, me surprised said it take him this long for jump on this. But I want to see more of the foundation artists them I do that show ya. I want to see more of the foundation artists them doing this shit. Not just the young drillers them. I want to see the foundation them. I show the young drillers them say, sit down, take a seat, relax, watch a master at work. Let's go.
I hope you brush your teeth before you talk about the big boss. Brand new bed sheets covered in your wifey's lip gloss. You was at the top but you slipped off. Wait.
Your brand new bed sheet covered. My brand new bed sheet covered in your wifey lip gloss.
I don't take back chat, no disrespect. Already know the gang, and I'm something like Big Fish. Fuck the ops, it's their loss. I cut them off. How could I get pissed off? Bodies get ticked off. I hope you brush your teeth before you talk about the big boss. Brand new bed sheets covered in your wifey's lip gloss. You was at the top, but you slipped off. None of them boy, they're hard. All of them boy, they're soft. Charge ain't a joke and laugh. You think that you shower when last you jump in the buff. I know the gunman that do obia, voodoo and witchcraft.
I know the gunman that do obia, voodoo and witchcraft. Obia, same thing as voodoo. In Jamaica, we call it obia. African call it voodoo and witchcraft. Alright?
None of them boy, they're hard. All of them boy, they're soft. Charge ain't a joke and laugh. You think that you shower when last you jump in the bath. I know the gunman that do obia, voodoo and witchcraft. Roll with a 9-month-old baby so they can bring out the mash in the Winnie the Pooh scarf. Sun's out, guns out, bare chest in a Rolls Royce. Park up and I jump out. Rich nigga used to back food up.
When it says sun's out, guns out, it don't mean them type of gun there, no?
Man that do obia, voodoo and witchcraft. Roll with a 9-month-old baby so they can bring out the mash in the Winnie the Pooh scarf. Sun's out, guns out, bare chest in a Rolls Royce. Park up and I jump out. Rich nigga used to back food at my mum's house. Heard the boy diss me, now the boy rubbed out. Test my gangster, reach for my chain. Don't cry when your face get thumped out.
Test my gangster, reach for my chain. Don't try when your face get thump out. Thump out. Blood clot, your teeth them jump out.
Young G love testing that smoke in the park. Somebody getting dropped if he comes out. Bow, what you mean you fool? Go on then, draw for the tool. Think that you're hard but you're soft like wool. Lick a man in the jaw side with a stool. Real bad boy but I still look cool. White gold chain and an iced out jewel. But they can't jack me because I'm not Ja Rule. Naru boy.
They can't jack me because I'm not Ja Rule. You hear that? You can't jack me because I'm not jack. Jesus Christ, did Ja Rule get jack? Did Ja Rule get jack, guys? That more I know. I'm just asking for a friend. Did Ja Rule get jack?
That more for the tool. Think that you're hard but you're soft like wool. Lick a man in the jaw side with a stool. Real bad boy but I still look cool. White gold chain and an iced out jewel. But they can't jack me because I'm not Ja Rule. Naru boy, what you mean? You can't jack me, best you don't chat to me. Ignore me, turn your back to me. You can't put no 9, no Mac to me. I know you did research, wanna move to Skepta, but you found out you can't do shit to me.
None!
Lyrically or literally, I put you on TV, make history. Why happened to your head back, that's a mystery. 5 o'clock in the morning, I flew out, flew down the road, flew back, then flew in. My mum knows what I'm doing, and deep down I know she's screwing. I fell asleep with 13 squads in my mouth. Had a dream about chicken and chips like an idiot, I started chewing.
5 o'clock in the morning, wait on the party phone. 5 o'clock in my own way. 5 o'clock in the morning, jump up, jump out, jump and flew back in. So basically, him phone ring, 5 o'clock in the morning, get up, him go outside, lick him shot, come back in, Drop a seat with 13 things in them. Did he say 13? 13 things in them mouth. I remember the exact number. Him say a number in them mouth. In case you don't know, the police them coming him so. Him a dream about chicken and chips and so that and start chewing. Dog. What? What?
I put you on TV, make history. What happened to your head back? That's a mystery. 5 o'clock in the morning, I flew out, flew down the road, flew back, then flew in. My mum knows what I'm doing, and deep down I know she's screwing. I fell asleep with 13 scores in my mouth. Had a dream about chicken and chips like an idiot. I started chewing. Woke up, then I started spewing. I used to put 13 scores in my mouth. Start chopping up an next ounce with hate. Can't chat to Meridian about weight. Them boy wouldn't even know what to do with an 8th. You bought an A ball on the 24th. You're still trying to move it on the 8th.
You buy a 8 ball on the 24th, and the 8th of the next month, you still have it. Something wrong with the brother. This street not make for you. The street does not make for you. Turn your yard, stay up on the sidewalk. Because if you can't move a 8 in an hour, or 2, make your 3 hour maximum. If you can't move a 8 in a 3 hour maximum, you need to turn your yard. Go to library, get some books. Go read. Cause the streets is not for you. You're workless.
Them boy wouldn't even know what to do with an 8th. You bought an A ball on the 24th. You're still trying to move it on the 8th. Them boy don't know about tinnitus with the batteries held in with sellotape blood. You would have thought you were looking at your dick.
Them boy know about what? Hold on, go again.
Them boy wouldn't even know what to do with an 8th. You bought an A ball on the 24th. You're still trying to move it on the 8th. Them boy don't know about tinnitus with the batteries held in with sellotape blood. You would have thought you were looking at your date of birth when I put my food on the scales. I'm in the cell, start biting my nails. Never ever been an informer, never told tales. I roll with 4 black males and the feds better lock us in separate jails. And I could bag up the food by eye. You can't chat to me about Class A sales. It's
No. He's not taking a break. This guy is dropping. What is he dropping here? How much bars him gone already? Yo, when I go around it, the old school, and I see anything in a dancehall to me, in a dancehall, but the old school in a grime still have it. And them sound better than 99% of these young rappers. Young drillers, whatever them call themselves. Me not disrespect nobody, but the old school, the early 2000s, man like them, man, yeah, are the man same way. Cannot go around these guys. Lyrics, you cannot go around them. Stage presence, you can't go around them. Stamina on stage, you can't go around them. You can't go around them with nothing. Nothing. I hope a lot of these young rappers are watching and taking notes, dog. Taking notes. This guy is a lyrical genius, brother. He's a lyrical genius. Yo, no joke, man. No joke.
I'll start biting my nails. Never ever been an informer, never told tales. I roll with 4 black males and the feds better lock us in separate jails. And I could bag up the food by eye. You can't chat to me about Class A sales. It's the return of the Mac. I'm still alive just like Tupac. Girls in the front row, girls in the back. Spit one lyric, everybody's like brrrr, flashback.
Yo, let me tell you this. I'm gonna say it loud with my chest. Grime. What am I? Grime better than drill. Who want to fight me? Come on! Grime better than drill. What? Will you argue with me? Don't argue in my comment section. Do not argue down there. Grime is better than drill. No joke. Big up the drill artist and me do them thing, but grime better than drill. That's how I say. I say it with my chest. Blood clot. Me afraid?
To the cold nights in the trap, now I'm in a new whip, counting a big stack. White gold chain and the diamonds are black. Jack me, nah, you don't wanna do that. God forgive me if I bust my 9. I don't wanna get locked up like Shine. This my mum, then it crossed my line. God forgive me if I bust my 9. I don't wanna get locked up like Shine. If it this my mum, then straight grease.
Fumez, the engineer.
Yo, Fumez, I have a question for you, brother. Why you not wheel up these things when these things are going? Why you not wheeling them up? Why you not say, yo, pull up that? Why you not stop the rhythm and say, yo, no, wait. Go again. Why you not do this? I think the show would be nicer. I think the show would be more enjoyable. Stuff like this. When they grime man them come on it, brother. This is what the grime artists them used to from back in the days. One time you wheel up the track. I make the track bad. Why are these things not happening? Fumez, I'm giving you an idea. Wheel up the bumbuckler track them when the track them bad. Wheel up, pull up, selector, run it again, pull up that bumbuckler, pull up everything before. Listen to me, dog. Pull up the track them, yeah? Pull up the track them. You should have more energy. When I say lack of energy, but just listen to me. Pull up the bum, pull up man like them, man. Pull up them. You have to pull up these guys, bro. You can't take it in all in one. You understand? Yo, big up Skepta, man. Big Fumez, big up yourself too. Big up Skepta though. People, me gonna end the one here, right? So, me gonna end the one here, right? So, me go on. Look more. Me gone.